it's time for the lightning round. Step on the foot. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. We'll start with Charles in California. Charles.
Hey, how's it going, Jim?
Good. How about you, Charles?
Pretty good. I'm fairly new into investing, but I came across this stock. It's called CRISPR Therapeutics.
They are doing some incredible stuff, but that is reflected in the most recent spurt. There's been some really good news there about some of the discoveries. I would not buy it all the way up here. I think it's got to come down a little because the stock is losing a lot of money. Let's go to KC in Florida. KC.
Booyah, Jim Bra. Greetings from the shark bite capital of the world, New Smyrna Beach, Florida.
Absolutely. I didn't know that, but I learn something every day in this show. What's going on?
We want to ask the big kahuna of market wisdom, what is the best strategy to ride the wave of Dell technology and not get bit?
I think Dell's terrific, but you know what? It's a point from its high. It just keeps going higher. Buy some here and then wait for a little bit of pullback. I don't want you to buy it all at the top and then say, hey, Cramer told me to buy it all at the top. It's been a great stock. It's Michael Dell's a real smart fella. How about Sam in Colorado? Sam.
Jim, how are you doing?
I'm good. How about you?
I am good. You know, Jim, I was just home at home outside of Philadelphia, and right around my hometown is a really interesting company, Cencora. What intrigues me, I went to look at the market cap. It's only an $8 billion market cap, and they make revenue in excess of $200 billion every year. They seem to be growing at a great rate. They have a little bit of debt on their balance sheet, but it's well covered by the cash flow. Everything about the company seems
Well, this is the old AmerisourceBergen. I went by them the other day. It's from Conshohocken, where my grandma was from. It's a terrific company. I think you should buy it. If you don't own it, it's okay. This is one of the few stocks in the healthcare business that is holding up. Amerisource is just a fantastic company. I like it even better than McKesson, frankly. Let's go to Jeff in California. Jeff.
Hey, Jim. How are you?
I am well. How about you?
Great. I own a lot of stock in T-Mobile. And I'm a little worried about some of the lawsuits that they have going on with the dealers and stores being shut.
I would not worry about those lawsuits at all. I think Mike Siebert has it totally under control, and I think the T-Mobile represents great value even up here. Let's go to Christy in New York. Christy.
Hi, Jim. You are the best. I'm so excited to speak to you. I watch Fun Money every night.
There you go. I like that. The loyal cadre.
My question to you is about Boeing.
Okay, Boeing's going higher. I think that this is their year. Last year, they had supply chain problems, had a couple of snafus with some planes. Now it seems to be clear sailing. I even think there are going to be some Chinese orders. They're going to be back ordered. They're going to make a lot of money per plane. Buy the stock of Boeing. I mistakenly sold it for my travel trust. I greatly regret that. Let's go to Tim in Tennessee. Tim.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for taking my call.
Of course.
Long time, first time club member.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for being a member.
My wife and I own a fairly large position in Cardinal Health, ticker symbol CAH.
Well, you know, it's funny. I think the Cardinals, you know, earlier I had a call in Cencora, and I must tell you that I said it was better than McKesson, but Cardinal, the way the Cardinals come on strong, I have to tell you, I am so impressed with the people from Cardinal. They have gotten it right after being in the wilderness for a bit. Great stock. Cardinal Health is a great stock to own at this stage of the economy. Let's go to Evan in Massachusetts. Evan.
How are you doing today, Mr. Cramer?
All right. How about you, Evan? What's going on?
I'm doing good. So I'm looking into extending my portfolio a bit more, and I have a company called DoorDash. Now, I know that there's a lot of insider selling recently, but that was about a couple weeks ago. I know the stock for the month is up 30%. I know for the year it's up almost 100%. I know it's almost profitable. It's so very close. What do you think for long-term going into the holidays?
I like the call. I think Tony Xu is just a fantastic manager. It's one of the few that came out during that period that, let me just say, it was like kind of like a banana period. And next thing you know, DoorDash emerges as being a company that I think is going to make a lot of money next year. I put it in the pantheon of a period where it's not been that good to invest. Those guys know what to do. Tony is king. The stock has had a giant run. It's only a point from its high. Let's be a little bit careful. Buy some and then let it come lower. Let's go to Fernando in New York. Fernando.
Hey, Jim. Big booyah for you and happy holidays.
Same to you. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much. I've got a stock here, Macy's. It looks like it hit a bottom recently, and it's starting to rise right now. It's got a price target of about 17. I was wondering what your thoughts were on it.
I'm not sure about that price target. I think it's selling at 5 times earnings is a little ridiculous. I think Tony Spring's going to do a really good job. I like Macy's stock very much. It could be the next Gap stores, I mean, when it comes to the trajectory of the stock. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, rates are high, but it's been bedtime for banks. What gives? Cramer takes an interest in a sleepy cohort. Next.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.